less fun today. What's happening? Who's calling? Oh, why is this man calling me now? Right, baby? I'm coming. I'm coming. Just go to the bedroom. I'm coming. Hello, baby. It's me, Jai. Still on, eh? No, I'm still out with the drag. Just lying in bed, tired. No, I'm lying in bed all day. I know it's my day of but I just couldn't be bothered going out. I've been lying in bed all day. Yes. Baby, come to the bedroom. Hello, baby. No, I'm just watching YouTube. That's the noise you're hearing. It's just YouTube. So tired. I'm so tired. I'm tired walking. You know, my walk is not easy at all. Baby, wait, I'll call you. Then I'll call soon. Don't put them still wanna be. I need to go to the toilet. I've been wanting to go to the toilet this whole time, just lazy and lying in bed. I'll call you when I finish. Okay, baby. Love you. Bye. Mwah. My God. Why is this man calling me this time? I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. Just taking off my shoes. I will survive as long as I know how to live. Huh? Let me call Jumper. God. Should I go to Kumba? Or should I go to Mariam? I need to go to somebody and talk to somebody. Let me call Kumba. Hey, Allah. Me. Hello, Janga. Hi, Janga. How are you? Hi, how are you? I'm fine. I'm just here all dressed. I want to come and see you. Janga, there's something very important and urgent. Hey, Allah. Janga, something happened. Hey, you know that David guy that I was telling you about? Hey, God. Yesterday I went out with him, with David. He invited me for lunch, and I went out with him on a lunch date. And then I brought him home. The moment we got home, hey, what? You still seeing that David guy? You brought him home. He invited you for lunch and you brought him home and your husband called. Subhanallah. But I told you this. I told you your husband will find out one day. And I told you this man will also find out. I told you to make up your mind. For how long can you continue hiding from your husband that you're cheating? And your excuse is that he's cheating too in Africa. If you know you're not ready to go back for good, then tell him you cannot continue this marriage anymore. You cannot continue cheating like this. Hey, God. The moment we come home, Hey, Jangha, what happened? You wouldn't believe it. The moment we come home, my husband called. He called me, and David was talking. He nearly hear his voice. I have to just scream and tell him to be quiet. Jangha, I need to talk to you about this. Jangha, what am I gonna do? Hey, I'm tired. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. Hey, hello. I don't know what to do. Huh? This is not funny de. Nga rep. Yow sa jëkkër mën naa ne fële nga ne fi yow pare di xam far suñu waxee nga naan moom mi fay xam jànq. Su dee mënoo fa ñibbi Afrika nga toog sëy kon tasal sëy bi. Wax ko ne mënatu xane si sëy bi waaye doo mën a ne si sëy bi di njaaloo for how long continuer di njaaloo nii rek ay xati yàlla. Suñ waxee nga naan moom itam loolu lay def doo sin maata yow yaa ngi xam ak kii ay doom noo mën a nekkee di def nii su ko yëgee sa doom yi buñ ko yëgee nag danañ ko yëg. Your children will know about it. What you gonna say? When he knows, your children will know. Anyway, I know you told me not to do this. You told me to stop this. But this man is the same. He's cheating on me also. Huh? Ma jaaxle dimbale mo please. Hey, tuuti David mi la dégg sama jëkkër bu ko déggoon fu ma jëm. Tuuti suma jëkkër dégg ko man kay maa koo fenal sax di maa fenal Ibrahima ne ko lifin laay ne ko YouTube laay seetaan dégg na baatam David bi de ni David am na time mu ma doon wax ne ma baby come to the bedroom. Hey man jaaxle naa hey man nu may def foogoo ne fi ne ma wax David dëgg gi ne ko man maa xam jëkkër mu ba ma wala ndax ma wax suma nijaay dëgg gi waaye man bëgguma sëy bi tas fan am ay doom lu may def. We already have too many children. What am I going to do with this man? How many children do we have? 4. I cannot just leave this marriage like this. But I don't know what to do. I cannot continue living here all these years and he's there. I know he's cheating. Xam naa ne mu ngi nekk foofu di topp jànq yi rek. So what am I going to do? Man maa bëgg a ñëw rek ñu wax su ma ñëwee ñu wax please. Let me just come so we can talk about it. I need someone to talk to. Hell, Allah, I don't know what to do. Even David is calling me since and I cannot pick up his call. I don't know what to do. Hell, Allah. You cannot continue this. I've never seen this. Anyway, you cannot continue calling me like this because no, you cannot continue with this calling me with this kind of problem. When Ibrahim know about it, I'll be in trouble. When my own husband know about it, I'll be in trouble, and he might even think that I'm cheating with you, that I'm like you, that we do it together, and I'm not in this. You cannot continue like this. Tell your husband that you cannot continue like this. What do you think I should do? Anyway, you cannot come here now. Me, I'm cooking and cleaning today. I'm just relaxing and cooking and cleaning today. So if you come here now, I'm just going to stop doing everything again. So it's better you come another time. Yes. Just be very careful. Don't say I don't want you. Okay, no problem. Just make up your mind. I know, I have to make up my own mind. You're right. Okay, Jamha. Let me know what day you're free and then I'll come. Okay. Bye. Take care. You cannot continue getting away with us. You're playing a very dangerous game. Okay, speak later. Bye. Take care. I've never seen this. How come you be married, your husband in Africa? You not want to go back and stay with him. And you also cannot stay alone here. Going out with men, lying about it. For how long can you lie about these things? I've never seen this. And your excuse is that the man is doing it too. What that got to do with everything? Hence, you cannot keep yourself. The man cannot keep himself. Why can't you guys go and be together then? Wonders that never end. Anyway, cannot come here today way blah-blahing about the same story. Useless. Hey, God, what am I going to do? They come on my deaf. Suma say we will go tas. Tasuma jikar, mamunu ma continue nek fi ay had mu ne fele. Man de sonu na nu may def. Suma tasse say bi nit ñi yak suma der. Suma ko tasu ne fi di njalo mu ne fele di njalo. Ha, man jonne sonu na. When I break the marriage, people will say that I'm bad. I come to Europe, I betray my husband. When I don't break the marriage, I'm wronging God. What's the point? Hey, what am I gonna do? I just have to talk to my husband and tell him I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. I need to find the excuse to get out of this marriage. I need to think of something. I'm going to start finding excuses to get out of this marriage. I cannot continue this. I'm tired. What's the point? He's cheating, I'm cheating. What's the point? He's cheating, I'm cheating. I cannot continue this marriage. I'm not ready to go back to Africa for good. I'm not ready yet. What am I going to do when I go there? I have nothing. Huh? And I have my job here. He cannot help me when I'm there. I have my sisters and family to help. But I cannot continue like this. I cannot continue seeing somebody else. I need to be married to one person and settle down. I cannot continue this. Hey, I'm going mad. What am I going to do?